Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to do a walkthrough of the DApp I described in the tutorial. What we are seeing here is, first of all, these are the balances for all the mock ERC20 contracts I deployed. Now we are simply a user, so we have only money. This is the owner or the deployer. He has money and he also has the tokens which he will later release to the contract. This is the contract, which has nothing at the moment. And we have different campaigns for which we can buy tokens. Let's start by buying some tokens. Now I do have to warn you actually. Okay, before the warning, this is the ERC20 approval transaction. We're using the approval mechanism. And this is the actual transfer to the contract. Now what I have to warn you is about that I didn't prettify the UI yet. So there are no spinners, no loaders, and the RPC is a little slow. So we'll just have to wait patiently while we wait for it to update. I'll also update this table because it does not update automatically. Here we see it has already updated. We have 20 more tokens. Here we should see $20 going from here to here. And it has happened. You can see that I didn't multiply it by the token decimals, but never mind, it's just a proof of concept. Let's now switch to the other user, user 2. Let's give it a moment to update. So now it is updated. We see 20 tokens have been bought previously, but we bought 0. Let's buy 30. Damn, I can't change it. Okay, this is some front-end regression. Let me just buy 20 now. Let's get the updated token balances. What we should see is that here we'll have 20, here 40, here we'll have 20 less, and here 20 more. So we see my front-end bug is put 2 here. Alright. It will make calculating the percentages a little harder, but I guess that's okay. So here 2 less, 22 more, 2 more. Okay. Let's switch to the actual owner, to this user, and he can end the pre-sale to start the distribution. Let's do it. The first transaction will simply end the pre-sale, mark it as closed. The second transaction, which will pop up now, yes, thank you, will set the tokens, this campaign's token to be this one. I don't want to do it in the same transaction because maybe he won't know in the beginning, he'll know only later what is the deployed contract. And this last transaction only transfers 5 tigers from this account to the contract. So the contract can start distributing it. Let's now switch to the user and give it a moment to update. We'll also update the token balances. Sorry for not having the nice loaders and that little UI bug here. Okay, first of all, this is updated. Why 22.73% released? Because we received 5 tokens. We'll soon see it here. This is hard-coded at the moment. Yeah, 5 tigers came into the contract. Out of 22, it should be 22%. So this user has bought 20 out of the 22. So he should get that percentage out of the 5 that have been released. This is this number. He can claim only this much. Let's claim them. We'll update the token balances so we can see it happening. Okay, notice the unclaimed and the claimed. This should soon change. Exactly. So now we have claimed what we can from this release. We can't claim anymore. Yeah, this is a little, notice this difference in the decimals, right? So his percentage of the release has been transferred to the user. Just because it looks a little strange, let's do, yeah, this plus this will equal the original 5 tokens. So that's it. You can see the whole mechanism is actually working on Polyjuice without needing to change any of the business logic, which is pretty cool. Cheers.